Up to 1650 FPS with alloy .177 cal. Pellets. Rapid reload 10-shot technology break barrel air rifle. 10x Gen 2 technology includes our revolutionary horizontal inertia-fed magazine integration. 10-shot magazine, simply break the barrel and fire for lightning-quick follow-up shots. Whisper fusion noise dampening technology. IGT Mach 1 gas piston. CAT, custom action trigger, 2-stage adjustable. Gamo 3 to 9x40 scope included with recoil reducing rail. Benjamin Vaporizer SBD air rifle. Nitro piston elite, gas piston, break barrel single shot rifled steel barrel adjustable 2-stage trigger CBT equals clean break trigger front and rear sights Picatinny optics rail manual safety all-weather black synthetic stock with gray soft touch inserts SBD sound suppression system, gold level, sling mounts, rear post front loop. Includes center point 3 to 9x40 AO scope benefits of the nitro piston over a metal mainspring, smoother cocking smoother shooting no spring torque no spring fatigue, even if left cocked for hours functions perfectly in cold weather lasts longer than a metal spring. You must be 18 years or older to buy any air gun or air rifle in our store. We do not and cannot ship air guns or BB guns to New York City and its boroughs, Manhattan, Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Staten Island. These zip codes are 100XX, 104XX, 110XX, 112XX, 114XX, 116XX, the city of Philadelphia, PA, and Washington, D.C. Residents of Chicago, Illinois cannot buy CO2-powered rifles, pistols, or revolvers directly from us. Residents of New Jersey can buy BB guns through a designated local gun store after acquiring an airgun permit. Ruger Blackhawk rifle spring piston break barrel single shot. All-weather ambi composite stock fiber optic sights, fully adjustable rear, includes 4x32 scope and mount. Ideal for plinking and dispatching rodents. 4x magnification 32mm objective lens 1 tube 1/4 MOA duplex reticle parallax setting unknown 29 feet field of view at 100 yards 3 eye relief 8mm exit pupil 13.2 ounce. With mount, 12.9 long. Includes 11mm dovetail rings. Other features nitrogen-filled shockproof fog-proof, waterproof, wind age and elevation adjustments multiple lens coatings matte black finish.